no other country can feed India. India has to become self-sustainant, and that's one of our objective. We build these amazing farms, give consumers the best experience and the best product. My name is Vihari, and I'm the CEO and co-founder of Urban Kisan. In my own city, which I live in, we run out of water in many places, right? And we bring in tankers of water from somewhere else where there is water. It always questions as to what happens if that place also runs out of water. What happens to all the farmlands? What happens to, in general, what is the way ahead, and how is the next generation going to do things differently? And if the next generation has to do things differently, then shouldn't we start now, already, to lay down the foundation for the next generation, right? So this kind of is very important. This is a very important question to me, personally. What we do at Urban Kisan is we build farms right in the heart of the city. These are vertical hydroponic farms, and we deliver the produce directly to consumers from the farm, and via a subscription based app. So consumers can subscribe to our farm, and we deliver the produce directly to their home. We started back in 2017 when I met my co-founder, Dr. Sairam. So he used to do a lot of experiments in his balcony, where he used to grow everything what is required for his house, and which kind of intrigued me and led me to understand that why isn't anyone doing this? Why is not everyone growing it in their own home? Where we started selling home kits, just like how he used to grow in his house. We used to build home kits in such a way that everybody could grow it in their own house. And then we later realized that a lot of potential is in selling the produce itself, because people don't have the time or the space. So that's where we started building farms. So the kind of farming we do is about 30 times in production, 30 times more they produces, with 95% less water, and it does not use any soil or pesticides. So basically, we will be growing produce which is worth about 4 acres produce or 5 acres of produce in about 5,000 square feet of space. So that's huge production in a very small, tightly knit place. The end goal of Urban Kisan is, I wouldn't call it an end, because it's quite a continuous journey. The market is very big. What we definitely know for the next 18 months, which is certain, is we want to build about 100 farms, and enable and access consumers as much as possible. This has to be as accessible as possible. So we're not a premium brand. We do not sell high quality produce at very high prices. We sell high quality produce at the same price at market. We just want to give clean, sustainable, local food to as many people as possible. That's the objective of the company. So we stand for 3 things: fresh, local, and sustainable. So what we are trying to solve in India doesn't necessarily end here. It can be applied to many other countries like UAE, also all the other island countries, where every other nation is currently pushing towards self-sustenance, because post-COVID, every country, all the imports and exports have stopped, right? Major countries like UAE and Singapore are majorly import-driven countries. So we're trying to also work with these governments and see how we could provide self-sustenance to these countries as well.